everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a graph, a quadratic graph that is being drawn here, where A and B are constant, and very importantly, A is bigger than B. Now, this graph is very important. It gives us two numbers here, 1 and 5. And this has special significance in a quadratic graph because this is at the x-axis, and if I were to zoom in, these 2 points actually happens when y is equals to 0. So let's see what happens. So actually, right, since we have this and y equals to 0, so actually if I were to do this, then I will know that it's either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. So x will be equals to A or x equals to B. And this is the x value, isn't it? Now we just need to decide which number, 1 and 5, is my A and which is my B. Oh, that's why they give us this information here. A is bigger than B. So 5 is bigger than 1. So from here you can then see which number is my A and which number is my B from the graph. Yes, this will be my A, this will be my B. Alright, next. Susan says that the equation does not have solutions for values of y less than -4. Is she correct? And explain your answer. Well, this is actually a good hint. The -4 comes from somewhere, you know. So let's see. Well, since we have this graph, perhaps the next thing I would like to do is, since we are talking about solutions, let's try to find this point here. Okay, Mr. Tan now is very interested to find this minimum point. Because the minimum point would then give us the minimum value of y. Okay, so that's our objective now. Let me place it like this so we can still see the graph. So the x value of the minimum point will be equals to 5 plus 1 divided by 2. I need to find the middle point here. And this will give me, this will be equals to 3. And now that I know this is 3, and I know the equation of the graph now, equation of the graph, since I know the value of A and B is x minus 5 and x minus 1. This is my A, this is my B. Then if I know my x, then I will then be able to get my y for the minimum point here. 3 minus 5. 3 minus 1. This will give me -4. Oh, that's where the -4 comes from. So this graph can never go below this is less than, which is below or less than -4. So is Susan correct? Yes, she is correct. Susan is correct. We do need to answer the question. And why is it so? Well, because the minimum value of y is -4. So, since this is the minimum, there is therefore no other values lesser than that. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.